Okay, so on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the basics of Minecraft. Now, on the other tutorials on the Score T-Core TV channel, you'll find an instruction video on how to actually download Minecraft Education. So presuming you've done that, you now need to go onto the icon, which hopefully is on your desktop, and launch Minecraft Education Edition. Here it is. So next thing you need to do is to sign in. You'll do that with your hub password and your hub username. And then obviously put your password in and sign in. So then you're faced with this screen. So to get you started, best thing to do is maybe just have a go. So click play, and I would recommend starting off with creating a new world. We'll hit templates. And in that template, it's probably best to start off with a simple block of grass. So we've created a new one of those, clicked on. And the first thing we'll do when it loads is have a look at how to move around. That's probably the best place to start. So you've got a list of controls down the side: W to go forward, S to go back, A to go left, D to go right, and your space bar to jump. So when you press W, you will move forward. You press S, you will move back, and then left and right, the D and the A buttons. And then, as you say, the space bar to jump, or 2 space bar presses, and you'll fly. Stop flying and come back down. Press it once. Sorry, and you'll come back down to Earth. So it is possible to move around your world using these simple keys to move you around. So obviously use your mouse to point the direction you want to go in. You can move around your world. So just spend a bit of time experimenting with that. So the next thing you'll probably want to do is start building. After all, that's what Minecraft's about. So to bring up your inventory, you're going to press the button E, and you've got all of the blocks available. Because this is Minecraft Education, in survival mode, you can pretty much have anything you want. So you can take your pick from the basics on there. To start with, I'm going to put a few materials into my palette, I guess, and drag those onto here at the bottom. So I'm going to choose some things that I might want to build with to produce maybe a simple little building to start with. So we'll load some of the things we might want. Some glass, maybe. We want something to make the roof with. So we'll put some little stairs. And just pick the materials that you think you might want. There's obviously coloured concrete. There's a massive range of different materials. So bricks, obviously quite good for building houses. Don't be limited by what you think you have to do. You can pretty much make this up as you want, really. So now we've got a couple of different materials available to us. We'll close that and we'll have a look at how we can build. Now, to move through your materials at the bottom, you can use the scroll bar on your mouse to go left and right, or use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 to move through those items you have there. So we're going to start with building with bricks. So to build, there's 2 buttons on your mouse. Your right click button will build, the left click button will destroy. So we want to dig holes, you press left to destroy or mine, I suppose. So now what we're going to do is press the right button to start building materials on the screen. And in the next demonstration, what we'll do, we'll continue to show how we can build a house with that. So that's the basics to get started with. We'll be back showing you how you can complete this maybe first basic attempt at Minecraft.